24 hours or less than 24 hours. You heard it right. How to manifest anything you want in less than 24 hours or in 24 hours. Hello guys, if you're just stumbling upon this video, I am Leena Joy, a success and a mindset coach, author and CEO of Live It Up. And today we are going to discuss how can you manifest anything you want in less than 24 hours. It all depends upon how strong you are in your faith. There are so many people who comes to me and tell me that I have been doing this, I have been scripting, I have been following all the positive videos. Then why is that I am not able to manifest what I want? Let me tell you the number one thing before you start this journey with me in this video, because here I am going to share with you 3 tips, the 3 rules which if you can follow this video along with me, I can assure you some magical results are coming your way. And what are the 3 tips which I followed and I learned from my mentor? The number one is having faith. Having faith that what you are thinking or want to manifest in your life, it's going to come true. Having faith on that higher power, whether you call it God, it's cool if you call God or you have a name for God, or it's a universe, or there is some mighty power who has created me and you. So there is something which exists beyond us. And that energy, having the complete faith on that energy, because it's something which can create you and me, it can create anything in this world. So if you can believe on that. So before we start this 3 tips, the number one thing which I want you to have is faith, complete trust, complete faith. And now the first thing, once you have that faith on your God or universe, that what you want to manifest, that's going to come true. Number one thing which you have to start with is writing your intention, having clarity. Once you are clear what exactly you want in your life, it could be anything. You want to have a house for yourself, you need to buy a shoe by December, you need to attract a relationship in your life, you want to attract a beautiful girl in your life. It could be anything, but make your intention so clear and have that clarity. The best thing which I do when I set my intention is writing it down. See, I have my small diary wherein what I do is I keep this journal. I have a lot of journals with me, and I just keep this journal in my bed, and early morning or sometimes when I'm sleeping, I write it down every day. You can see with the date, I just fill it up. Every day before sleeping, I just write what is it that I want to manifest in my life. So I started, if you're just a beginner of doing this manifestation or law of attraction, what I suggest to you is there are 3 things which you need to start with. First, start with having gratitude what you already have in your life. So this is something, if you know me well, I teach this to every student, and I'll make sure that every session of mine starts with this. So be grateful for you already have, and then we can manifest new things in our life. So because universe will not be ready to give you things if you are not having the vibration of gratitude, if you are having the feeling of be thankful. So what I do, I first be grateful for you already have, and then I write my 2 pages, I'll fill it up with my gratitude. And then what I do, I start writing my what is it that I want to manifest in life. So I am in the process of manifesting a beautiful villa in for me by January, or I'm in the process of manifesting traveling to Maldives with my daughter. I'm in the process of manifesting a long family trip. So whatever is it, just be very clear in writing it down. So once you are clear in writing it down, whatever is your manifestation, let me tell you, it actually it's a brain signal. When you write, you are giving a signal to your brain that now your subconscious mind will start channelizing to the universe, and it will start connecting you with the resources, it will start connecting you with the right direction, so that you can reach there much faster. So having clarity is the number one thing. Once you are very clear, I have seen people, they are very, somehow they are clear about what they want and what they don't want. But I want you to really understand that you, while you are writing, please don't write I don't want, because when you are writing I don't want or you are writing I want, don't use the word want. You know why? Because when we say want, somewhere in your subconscious mind it is there that I want and I don't have. So the feeling of I want because I don't have, it actually, it's a wrong feeling and it's not aligned with the universe. So it's a lack. You are actually talking from a place of lack. So whenever you are talking from a place of lack, frustration, anger, irritation, just remember, the manifestation will not work. You will not be able to attract things in your life. So when you are writing it down, make sure you are writing it like, I am thankful for having a beautiful winner for myself by 2021. I am thankful or I am grateful that I am traveling to so and so place by December 2021. I am so grateful to God that I am able to manifest a beautiful travel with my family. So I am, more and more use the word I am and then attach an emotion to it. I am feeling amazing sitting in my beautiful villa, sipping that coffee, sitting near the swimming pool. I am feeling so vibrant to go and see the scenic beauty for the holiday which I have come in. So what is your feeling? You know, law of attraction is all about attraction, action, right? So what is it, that action you are going to take? Write it down. I am in the process of manifesting, starting a business for myself, and then purchasing a beautiful villa, sipping my coffee, enjoying the swimming in that villa. To be very clear, get into that moment as if you already have. So the number one thing, having a clear intention. You know, when I ask my student, what is it that you actually want? And I get an answer of, a house would be okay, a beautiful girl in my life would be fine. If you are hearing this statement, how do you feel? If you rank 1 to 10, where do you actually feel that the person's manifestation will work? It might not work, right? Because it's like, it's okay, it's fine, it seems, all these things doesn't work. You need to be excited. You need to ask yourself, add emotions to your intentions. Emotions is energy in action, energy in motion. So when you actually put that emotions, you actually put that energy in your actions, your vibration, you have a very high frequency vibration, and you start attracting things in your life. You start getting connected with the universe. So number one, having clarity, writing your intentions with emotions. I hope you have understood this. The second most tip which I want to share with you is aligning yourself with the universe. How to do that? Sometimes, you know what happens when you write the intentions, there is so much of clutter in your mind that you are not able to set that intentions very clearly. Maybe you might have done it once, twice, and then after the first week, gone. Why? Because there's so much of things which are running in our mind. There is 11 million pieces of information which gets processed every second in our mind. Yes, you heard it right, 11 million pieces of information. Imagine how much it's working, our brain is working. It's important to calm down the mind. If you are not able to calm the mind, how your intentions would be able to align with the universe? We have set the intentions, but it's important to calm the mind so that the mind can actually tell you what actions need to be taken to achieve those intentions. So the number one thing which I do is, I literally do the breathing exercise. So you can just do it with me. Inhale, exhale, that faith, that trust, that what is your intentions which you're setting it up. So just inhale, take a deep breathing, close your eyes and take a deep breathing. However you want your hands to be placed. If you want your hands to be placed open palms, it's basically you're receiving the energy from the universe. So do a deep breathing along with me now. Inhale and exhale. Just inhale. When you do that deep breathing, you align yourself with that calmness, you align yourself with the universe, you align yourself with that peace, and that's the time when your intentions are getting aligned to the universe. So it's important to do this mind breathing exercise every day morning, especially when I do morning breathing exercise meditation morning 5 o'clock, morning 4:30. You know why? Because I feel like by 6 o'clock the world wakes up, and God really becomes very busy, the universe becomes very busy taking care of everyone's intentions. So what I do is I start connecting to the universe when actually the world is sleeping. It becomes much easier. So try it out. If you can just do it, especially in that time of 5 to 6 o'clock, all the successful people on this world, I have seen them, their 5 to 6 slot will never be compromised. Whatsoever will happen, they are never going to compromise their 5 to 6 time, because that's the time it has a high energy where you can connect with the universe very, very easily. So try it out, guys. This, be calm, aligning your mind to be calm. That's the second tip which I want to tell you to manifest anything in your life. The third thing which I want to tell you is just let go. Now what do you mean by let go? You know, we keep holding that. If you want more money in our life, we keep thinking, how much is the balance in the account, how much is the balance in the account, and we are so desperate. You have to just let go. You know what do you mean by let go? When you actually let go, the money will start coming up, because you have opened the doors. Now you have created the space so that the new opportunities, the new energy can come into you. So when you want money, you are attracting money in your life, and you keep checking the balance, how much it is, the money is increasing, and the money doesn't increase. But if you just let go, trusting the universe, having faith on the universe, that what have you set the intention, calming your mind, it's going to come in. It's in the process of manifesting. It is in the process of coming up. And visualize, once it has come in, how are you feeling about it? Why you want it? Suppose I want a beautiful villa for myself. So the number one question which I ask myself is, why you want it? Because I really want my family to stay in a luxurious house. I really want to enjoy the best of the best thing. I really want my dad, mom to come and stay in that house. Why? How will you feel when your dad, mom comes and stays there? I feel proud. They feel proud of me. I feel so amazing. How do you feel? Why you want? These are the questions which will elevate your emotions. See, I have seen people, they are very good in setting up their intentions, but they are not good in having an elevated emotions. So having an elevated emotions, getting a positive vibe across any situation or circumstances which you are going through is the key of manifesting it faster. So any situations which is happening in your life, rather than reacting to it in a negative way, having a positive way of looking into it and learning from the situation, asking yourself, what is this situation teaching me and what is it that I'm learning from it, is the best way to manifest things faster. Because what you do is, when you start responding it in a negative way, you will see more and more negative things attracting in your life, and then you will feel that, why is that negative things happening in my life again and again? Is just because we are responding in a negative way. So the only reason why people are not able to manifest is they lack the ability of responding to the situations of life. And make sure you're not getting desperate with whatever you want to manifest and setting up the intention. Only just tell God that either this or better than this. If you can just have one thing in your mind, that what you have set for yourself, God is going to give you, universe is going to give you either this or better than this. So there are various tools and techniques of manifestation, and I teach that. I can come up with a separate video. So how to make a vision board for yourself, wherein you really can visualize, write with pictures. I have done this many times from last 5 years in my life, and you can see big chart boards all across my house. You will find big chart boards which are there, and I keep doing this. Now we are on the last 90 days of 2020. I'm pretty sure I'm coming up with a new vision board for for my 2021. I'm getting ready for that. So that's another video which I can make while I'm preparing my 2021 vision board. So I can make a video on that. So that's the tools and techniques while scripting, visualization, affirmation. This all helps for manifesting faster, or the what you desire much faster or sooner than you thought of. So only thing which I really want you to learn today is just let go. The first thing, set intention, have faith, have trust, is on the way and it's coming to you. Do some kind of scripting. Calm your mind every day morning. Do meditation. If you're not able to do 20 minutes, just do for 5 minutes. If you can do for 3 minutes, that's also enough. But that is important, because if it's so much of clutter is there in the mind, it's difficult, or it will be delayed. So number 2, meditation, and third is let go. Just let go. Don't keep it. I mean, you are expecting a message from your girlfriend or a boyfriend and you keep checking, message is not coming, message is not coming, the message doesn't come, because you know the kind of energy which you are throwing up, the desperation energy, universe will not give us. You are blocking it. Universe wants to give us things, but you have blocked it by the feelings, by the vibe, by the energy which you are giving out. You only get what you give out. So it's important that to see how are you thinking, how do you act, what do you believe, and how do you feel. So think, act, feel and believe. These are the 4 things which, if you can just set it right, you can manifest things in your life much faster. Do let me know that what have you manifested. Start with a small thing. You can even start with 500 rupees attracting it, and once you believe it that the law of attraction works for you, maybe you can come up with higher goals. If you are already a person who is practicing law of attraction, then go for the higher goal. Make sure that all this, what I have shared in this video, the tips, just go through that, and it's definitely going to help you. I'm super excited. All of you guys who are watching this video, do comment below that what have you attracted in your life, so that your comments can actually inspire others to dream more, to visualize more. Bye bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye, ciao.